Hello folks, first of all I would like to say Happy New Year to everybody, and I wish you all have a good health and happiness for the 2022, and I hope you had a good holidays. And today just another update on my koi pond, and today is minus 10 degrees Celsius, the first cold day of the year, and I think the pond is frozen now, and let's see how it looks. Alright, as you can see, the icer is on, the red LED is on there, and yeah, that's making a hole opening right there for the air bubbler to run, to prevent the surface completely frozen. But you can see everywhere else is frozen. Yep. Yes, you can see. Just have a tap down there. Yes. Yeah, we could stand on it here. Yeah, frozen solid. Just a small hole there. And let's see the temperature under the water. Yeah, this is still at 1.3 Celsius. You see the water, the temperature inside here. Minus 9.9 Celsius. Yes, it is cold. Yeah, it's frozen. Icy. Then we could skate on here too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep, I'm standing on the surface of the pond right now. I mean, it's quite thick over here, but I'm not sure. There. Yeah. Move a little bit when I push on over here. Oh, you see the pressure push on it. Anyway, yeah, frozen solid right now. Very cold. All right, that's it, guys. Just another update. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.